Look. मनीष
आपका नाम
मंजू? अच्छा ठीक है, आप बैठो, बैठ जाओ।
अरे वाह, आप खुद बैठोगे? Do we have a Kian also with us today? Is Kian here? Somebody is eating an ice cream or a lollipop. Who's that?
to introduce her. What is your name? What is your name?
Hi everyone. You all had your breakfast? You all ate your breakfast?
Come here and say.
Yeah? You are still eating your breakfast, Abir? Abir is eating breakfast?
Yes. Yes.
What is Kian eating? What is Kian eating? Are you eating an ice cream? Ice cream. Lucky you got ice cream early in the morning. My mama never gives me ice cream in the morning. She gives me ice cream only for lunch. After I finish my lunch. Who likes ice cream? किसको ice cream पसंद है?
आइसक्रीम पसंद है आपको?
किसको पसंद है ice cream? मुझे पसंद है. मुझे भी पसंद है. वाह, सबको आइसक्रीम पसंद है ना?
Say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Ishan.
आपके बहुत सारे friends आने वाले हैं ना? Lot of your friends are going to join today. And you like to listen to stories? You like stories?
Ishan, please say good morning. Say hello.
Hi.
Good morning.
I request all the parents to just sit with the children because I want to make sure that our audio, that I am audible and the children can hear me and see me clearly, both.
Okay.
Yeah, go. If your mamas and daddies are near you, tell them to sit with you. Okay, say, Mama, Daddy, sit here. Sit with me today. And you also listen to the story.
Yeah, we can see you, and your voice is pretty audible.
Okay, great. That's fantastic. We'll just wait about another minute because it's not 11 yet. And once everyone joins, we'll start. You know something? I have special fairies with me. And the fairies come to my house when I'm sleeping and they bring lots and lots of stories for me. And you know, they sing a song and I'm going to sing that song for you. But before I sing that song, I also have a little girl who's going to join us. And this is my daughter. She's Kavya. Say hi to Kavya.
Hello. Hi, Kavya Didi.
Hi Kavya Didi. Very sweet. And you know, Kavya को भी आपके सब जैसे कहानियां बहुत पसंद है. She loves stories, no Kavya? You love stories, isn't it? You all like stories? Yeah, that's lovely. Very nice. So today I'm going to sing a very nice song for you, which the fairy sings for me. Can I start with the song?
Yes.
Now, when I'm sleeping in my bed and it is dark in the night and only the moon is shining bright, at that time, when I'm fast asleep and I'm snoring, when I'm sleeping, quietly the fairies come to my house and they bring a lot of stories and they put it everywhere in my house. Then I wake up in the morning and I say, stories, stories, where are you, stories? Where are you? And all the stories come out and I put them in my basket. And I put all the stories in my basket. And then what do I do? And then I tell you all the story. So let's all sit down. Parents,
Ah.
can we have all the children on mute till I just sing the song for them? Parents, can we have all the children on mute? Come. Sit all of
Done,
you.
done. Already done. हो गया, हो गया, हो गया.
All of you are ready? Okay.
पकड़ो.
Sit. Yeah. And all of you can go.
Join your hands.
No, you don't have to join your hands. I'm going to tell you, I'm going to call the fairies and the fairies sing a song. And they say, Piece of the story world. Piece of the story world. Come and share your stories with me. All the fairies, I tell them, come, tell me all your lovely stories. Fairies of the story world, come and share your stories with me. I am listening with my ears, and I'm sitting quietly. It will help if all the parents go on mute, because then the children can pay attention and they won't get distracted. And today being the first session, I request all the parents to be close to the children. Don't leave them and go anywhere. They are getting to know me and I'm getting to know them. Yeah, so let's spend a little time together. So I told the fairies, you please come and tell me stories. And I promise you, I will listen with my ears and I will sit quietly while you tell me the story. And so the fairies brought 2 stories for me today. And I woke up in the morning. I woke up in the morning and I saw my story basket. And I said, wow, 2 stories. And I'm going to tell all my little children also these stories today. And many of you, have you all eaten your breakfast? Have you all eaten your breakfast? My God, when you wake up in the morning and brush your teeth, you should drink your dudu and you must eat your breakfast. Then you will become nice and strong like me. Can you see my muscles? See, I'm so strong. Yeah. So, just like all of you, there was a very, you can't hear me? Somebody's saying they can't hear me. Okay, I'm going to increase my volume. Am I audible now? Can you all hear me?
We can hear you.
Okay, great. So, just like all of you, early in the morning, the elephant was very hungry and he looked around for food. He asked for food everywhere. Now, the name of this elephant was Gajapati Kulapati. Have you heard this name? He's a very friendly elephant and he lives in the city. He doesn't live in the jungle, you know. In the jungle, the elephant can go and pluck some leaves and eat it off the tree. But in the city, Gajapati Kulapati does not know what to do. How will he get food to eat? So he looks everywhere and says, oh, I'm so hungry. Oh, I'm so hungry. And Gajapati Kulapati's tummy is making noises. Ooh, there are butterflies and monkeys dancing in Gajapati Kulapati's tummy because he's very, very hungry. And then you know what happens? Fruit wala, fruit le lo. Fruit wala, kela, apple. And Gajapati is very happy. And he's like, "Oh, fruits. I love to eat fruits." And he walks to the fruit seller. And the fruit seller looks at Gajapati Kulapati and he says,
You know, I think you could also mute everybody.
no, I think I will mute everyone.
Ved, you go. Ved.
Yeah.
Perfect.
I'm going to mute everybody. Thank you so much for that suggestion.
Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah. All right. So what happened when he saw all the bananas? He went to the fruit seller and said, "Oh, I'm hungry. Can I get some bananas, please, 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 please?" And the banana seller, he gave him 10 dozens of bananas, 120 bananas, so many. Can you eat so many bananas? I also can't eat. I can eat only one banana at a time, or maybe two if I'm hungry. But Gajapati Kulapati was very hungry. He was so big. Om, 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 om. He ate up all the bananas. And the banana seller said, "Are you feeling better now?" And what do you think Gajapati Kulapati said? "No, I'm hungry. I'm still hungry." Oh, just then a farmer was passing by, and in his in his truck, he had lots of juicy, sweet sugarcane. And Gajapati Kulapati said, "Sugarcane! I love sugarcane." He went walking near the truck and he went and he told the farmer, "May I get some sugarcane to eat, please?" And the farmer said, "Of course. Gajapati Kulapati, you're my friend. You can have it." You know, when you eat sugarcane, after you bite all the juicy, juicy bits, you have to spit out the things that are left over. Gajapati Kulapati ate lots and lots of sugarcane. And the farmer asked him, "Are you still hungry?" "Yes, I'm still hungry." After eating so many bananas and so much of sugarcane, you're still hungry? "I'm a big elephant and I love to eat lots and lots and lots and lots of food." Just then, the postman was on his cycle. Tring, tring. And he was riding his cycle. Tring, tring. And the postman was carrying nice coconuts. Gajapati Kulapati went to him and said, "Postman uncle, can I get some coconut, please? Please?" Postman uncle was very kind. He said, "Okay, come, I'll give you coconuts." Tap! One coconut. Tap! He broke it, he ate it. He broke it, he ate it. He broke some, ate some. Broke, ate, broke, ate, broke, ate. He kept eating and eating and eating and eating till all the coconuts were over. Every coconut that the postman had was all finished. But still Gajapati Kulapati was hungry. Can you imagine? I think Gajapati Kulapati must be having a very, very big tummy. Can you show me how big the tummy can be of the elephant? So big. so big, even bigger than this. Such a big tummy. So bananas eaten, sugarcane eaten, coconuts eaten, but still Gajapati Kulapati is very, very hungry. Now what to do? Just then, Gajapati Kulapati hears all you little children waiting in a line. Hi Gajapati! Hi Kulapati! Hi Gajapati Kulapati, we came to meet you. Hi, hi! All the children run to see him. They all love Gajapati Kulapati. And he also goes to them and he puts his little trunk on their heads like this. Hello, hello, hello Abir, hello Maneet, hello Anaita, hello Arav, hello Kavya, hello Vaishali. He puts his trunk on every little child's head and greets them. And the children are so happy. They have a special gift for Gajapati Kulapati in their hand. You know what it is? Sweet, sweet jaggery. Gur. And they say, Gajapati Kulapati, eat. And he puts his trunk and eats it up. He takes it in his trunk, eats it up. Thank you, Abir, for the jaggery. Thank you, Maneet, for the jaggery. Thank you, Anaita, for the jaggery. Thank you, everybody. Thank you very much. Thank you, Om. Thank you, Ankita. Thank you, Kian. And he eats up all the jaggery. Do you think Gajapati Kulapati is full now? Is his tummy full? No, he still wants more food. Everybody says, what will you eat now, Gajapati? What are you going to eat now? You ate bananas, you ate sugarcane, you ate coconut, you ate jaggery. What are you going to eat more? Just then, the flower seller, the auntie with a basket on her head with all the flowers, roses, jasmine, lilies, beautiful flowers for everyone. She comes to Gajapati Kulapati and she gives him rice. Yummy, yummy ball of dal rice. I love dal rice. You like dal rice? Do you all like dal rice? Yes, I know. It's my favorite. I love dal rice with lots and lots of ghee. And so the flower auntie, the flower seller, also put lots and lots of ghee in the rice and she gave it to Gajapati Kulapati. And he ate it. And then what do you think happened? All of a sudden, Gajapati Kulapati's tummy began to hurt. Oh, Mama. Ayo. Aiga. Amma. Hi Ram. Uy Baba. My stomach. Ay. Uy. And Gajapati Kulapati started to roll and his tummy was hurting. Everybody got scared. What happened to you? What happened, Gajapati? What happened? Oh, my stomach. Oh, ay. Uy. Ay. Uy, ma. My stomach is paining. They say we'll have to call the doctor. Go. Let's take Gajapati Kulapati to the doctor. But can Gajapati Kulapati fit in a car? No. Can Gajapati Kulapati sit on the postman uncle's cycle? No. So how can he go to the doctor? Then postman uncle says, don't worry. I will go and bring the doctor here. Okay? Till then, all of you take care of Gajapati. Okay? I know he's feeling very sick. His stomach is paining. Let's keep rubbing his tummy. Just then, Mom. Who comes? A cow. The cow is Gajapati Kulapati's friend. And she comes and says, Gajapati, Kulapati, what happened to you? Oh, my stomach is paining, cow. My stomach is paining too much. Ah. She says, oh, you're feeling so bad. Your stomach is hurting. Now you tell me, when you're not feeling well, what does mama do to you? She says, come here, my Shona. What happened? Tummy is paining. What happened? And mama kisses you, mama hugs you, and mama rubs your tummy, isn't it? So same way, the cow also came to Gajapati Kulapati and she said, when my babies are feeling sick, I take my tail and I tickle them in the tummy. Kichi, 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 kichi. Kuchu, 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 kuchu. Gullu, 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 gullu. Goody, 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 goody. And Gajapati Kulapati starts laughing. You're tickling me. Stop it, cow. Don't tickle me. Goody, goody, mat karo. Don't do it. And then everybody sees that now Gajapati Kulapati is smiling. So then the fruit seller also comes and says, Gulu, 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 gulu. Goody, 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 goody. Kuchu, 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 kuchu. Gulu, 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 gulu. Goody, goody, goody. Gajapati Kulapati is laughing. He likes to be tickled. Do you like to be tickled? Do you get tickled? I get very tickled if someone tickles me here. And if someone tickles my tummy, then I fall down and I start laughing. And then the postman uncle came, the doctor came, the children, everybody started tickling Gajapati Kulapati. Goody, 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 goody. Goody, 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 goody. Goody, goody. Gulu, gulu, guju, guju. Guju, 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 guju. And then Gajapati Kulapati laughs. Stop it. Don't tickle me more. What did he do? Gajapati Kulapati was getting tickled, and while laughing, he burped. He gave a big, loud burp. And then Gajapati Kulapati felt better after burping. एक डकार ली, बड़ी डकार, मोठा ढेकर. And then Gajapati Kulapati felt better. His tummy felt good after eating all that and laughing. And then how did he burp? Can you all burp loudly? Can you burp loudly like Gajapati Kulapati? And he burped loudly. And then he felt better. And he was happy. And he was dancing and jumping and happily he was dancing and dancing. And everybody was dancing around Gajapati Kulapati saying, hooray, our friend is feeling better now. We're so happy that you're feeling better, Gajapati. We were so worried about you and your tummy. But now you're feeling fine. And Gajapati Kulapati said, yeah, I'm feeling fine. But next time, I'm not going to eat so much food, Vaishali. Because I ate so much food, my stomach started paining. I'm going to eat everything. I'll eat fruits, I'll eat vegetables, and I will eat my roti and I will eat my sabji dal, everything. But I will eat it all properly. Okay? That's how Gajapati Kulapati felt better. Did you like the story? If you like the story, can we all clap?
Okay.
And tell me, do you want one more story? No? Only one story is enough? Okay, that's nice. Okay. Hey, anybody else wants one more story? Maybe I will come back and tell you another time. But before that, I want to know everybody's name. So many of you have come here to meet me today. And I know I want to see you. I want to carry you and I want to pull your cheeks and I want to give you a kiss, but I can't do it. You're sitting so far, far away, no? So I'm going to blow you a kiss. Can you blow me a kiss too? Can you all blow me a kiss? Yeah. I can't see everybody kissing me. One more time. Can you all blow me a kiss? Yeah. And can you give me a hug? This is how I hug when I can't meet you, when you're so far away. I hug you, hug you, hug you, hug you. And then I'm going to kiss you like this. Thank you. You all were so nice listening to all this, to the story that I was telling you. Did you enjoy? If you like the story, show me a thumbs up. And if you you're combing your hair, okay, you comb your hair and then show me a thumbs up. You should look nice, no, in front of the camera. That's why you're combing your hair. See, I can see your thumbs up. Very nice. Yeah. Story. Do you know my name? Will you remember my name? My name is Vaishali Aunty. What is my name? Yes, Vaishali Aunty. And I would love to meet you and tell you a story every day. Would you like to listen to my stories?
Yes.
I'll tell you stories of fairies. I'll tell you stories of animals. I'll tell you stories of very, very naughty little children. I'll tell you stories of trucks. I'll tell you stories of cars and monsters and the sun and the moon and the stars and the trees. I'll tell you so many stories. 1,000, not 100,000 stories I will tell you. Why? Because what?
He wants Avengers stories. He likes Avengers.
Stories? Okay, I will also bring you Avengers stories. But in my story, no, there is a fairy and she meets all the Avengers and the Avengers are not sleeping. So the fairy has a special trick to put all the Avengers to sleep. Spider-Man, go to sleep. Iron Man, go to sleep. Ant-Man, go to sleep. Everybody, Hulk, go to sleep. Everybody has to go to sleep. Would you like to listen to that story next time?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
What happened? You know, the Avengers are so busy the whole day that I think we're running out of time. I don't know how. Okay. Oh, there are 10 more minutes.
No,
What? So what I will do is, parents, I hope the children had a nice time today. This was just a demonstration session. I really wanted you all to sit with me because, you know, it's the first time they're getting to know me as well. And it's not often that, you know, children so small sit in front of the screen. Unfortunately, you know, we are in such times that even if we don't want to, we have to put them in front of the laptop. So our idea is to meet 3 times in a week. With a story and a small activity which they can understand and do by themselves independently. Okay, so of course, I would request if you all are around them because, you know, little kids tend to get distracted very soon if I'm not there in person. Because when I'm in person, they're sitting all around me, over me, on top of me, and then it's a lot of fun. Here, this is the best we can make. So I think all of you might have my number. So you can actually send me a message and get in touch and we could get started from Monday itself because they've met me today while the memory of Vaishali Aunty is still fresh. You know, we can get started. And like I said, there'll be different types of stories. If the group is comfortable, I also do stories in Marathi and Hindi and I do translation while I do that. So we'll see how the dynamics of the group is and what language they're all comfortable in. And we can try all of that. And I'm very excited to see all of you. But when I meet you, you have to promise me that you'll all eat your breakfast and come. Promise? Yeah, I can see everybody saying yes. Eat your breakfast, get ready on your chairs, put on your laptop, and there will be Vaishali auntie for all of you. Right? And you will have a special story and a special song from me every day. And before we start our stories every day, we'll call all the story fairies and promise the fairies that we'll listen with our ears and we'll sit quietly. Okay? So I'll see you all.
Bye. Thank
Follow
you.
beta.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Come, kisses.
Bye-bye.
Come on, flying kisses.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Flying
Bye.
kisses to all of you. And a nice hug to all of you. Bye-bye.
Bye. Oh, I
Bye-bye.
love you.
Bye.
Can I check the age group, Vaishali? Is there any recommended age group like till 5 years or 6 years?
Up to 6 for this age, because you know they are
to
above 6, they prefer other kinds of stories, and this is going to be focused more on getting them to sit peacefully. My stories are not too animated, so I won't be dancing around and jumping around, because I want them to just be centered and enjoy their time while they are with me, you know. So I think ideally 2 to 6,
Sure.
not more than that, because the younger ones, they will love listening to it, but I'll go a little slower, no, for the chotus. So that age group so one age group is up to that. And the other age group, I think Akanksha is also trying to get children in. So we'll figure it out. If there are more tiny tots, then we'll do it as 2 groups. Yeah. All right. I hope all of you have my number.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah. All right. Bye-bye.